tea, and topic video.
Myself on 10 of me, but not this me, the me I really wanna be. Tom and G. It was never that serious, it's not that serious. Yeah. It was never that serious, it's not that serious. Yeah. It was never that serious, it's not that serious. It was never that serious, it's not that serious. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tia Topics. I am Tia, and today's topic is going to be me dyeing my hair. If you're watching this and you have yet to subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll never miss when I post a new upload. If you would like to see how I dye my hair and transform from this into this, stay tuned for the rest of this video. I'm going to try to make this video as detailed as possible so you guys can follow along with me. Let's go! So the products I'm going to be using is Adora Jade 195 Color Charm Toner number T18, 30 Volume Cream Peroxide Developer, L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength Bleaching Powder, some gloves, a mixing bowl, and a mixing brush. To keep my hair nice and healthy, I'm going to be using raw shea butter restorative conditioner, 100% extra virgin coconut oil, strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. For styling purposes, I'm going to be using a comb and eco styling gel. To begin, I am working on freshly rinsed out hair. Not shampooed, rinsed out hair. There's no products in my hair and I have blow dried it. Now I am applying coconut oil to coat my hair to protect it from all of the chemicals that I am about to apply. Making sure to really scrub it into my scalp and as well focusing mainly on the ends of my hair. The ends of my hair is already bleached, so it really needs that extra level of protection if I want to protect my curl pattern and keep healthy hair as much as possible. Here I'm just detangling my hair so it's easier to apply the bleach and all the other products. As you can tell, it really hurts. Now it's time to make the bleach mix. I always shake my products before adding them in. To start, I start off with 2 ounces of 30 volume developer. Then I add in 2 capfuls of the powder. I mix it up, ensuring to work out all of the lumps. Lumps cause uneven bleaching. I want this to be a little thick but not too thick, because the thicker the product, the more potent it is. And because I'm working on my natural hair, I don't want it to be too thick. I add in a dime size more to achieve a semi-thick paste glue type of texture. Here we have it, and now I'm finished. Working as fast as possible because the bleach is already mixed, I add Vaseline to the ends of my hairline to protect my edges because I really want my edges. I add it all the way around my hairline and as well in the slits of my design. The next thing I do is separate my short hair from my long hair. The short hair is going to be the last thing that I bleach and tone because it takes less time. To start the bleaching process, I add a thin layer only to the roots of my hair, separate it, and keep this motion throughout my entire head until I get to the top. A helpful hint will be to have a mirror in front of you and as well in the back of you so you can really see what you're bleaching as you're bleaching it if you are doing this by yourself. When I start the short part of my hair, I don't really do any parting. I'm just slapping on a thin layer of bleach. At this point, I am doing a second layer of bleach, so I part it, put a thin layer of bleach, and then really rub it into my hair with my fingers, continuing this process throughout all the way to the top. So part, place down with brush, really rub it in with your fingers, and continue that method throughout until I'm completely finished. For the second layer of bleach for the shorter part of my hair, this is when I really start to part it and get in there. For the design, I'm really trying not to get the bleach directly onto my scalp so I don't cause damage to my scalp. For the parts where I know I got it on, I just scrape it off with my finger, brush it more into my head, and now we wait. 30 minutes later, and this is what we have. At this point, I really start to rub it down and brush it in a little bit more. After I tucked in my ends, I let it sit for another 5 minutes. At this point, I am ready to wash it out. Alright y'all, so I washed out the bleach. This is going to be the first looks. I don't know what it looks like. You don't know what it looks like. So let's just find out what it looks like. Yeah. So this is the bleaching that I have achieved. For the most part, it is fairly even, but I am not too worried because after this, I am applying toner. I'm about to show you what happened to my hairline because I just got a haircut. So if you can avoid bleaching right after a haircut, do that. Next, I towel dry my hair to prep it for the toner. The toner mixture is a 2-to-1 ratio. So the best way to do this is to add in 1 bottle of toner, then to fill up the same bottle with the 20 volume developer, and then mix it all up. This mixture is going to be very thin. It is not going to be a thick mixture. The application of the toner is exactly the same as the application of the bleaching. Thin layer of toner, then you go back for a second time after you complete your entire head, making sure to work very fast because these chemicals do activate quickly. Don't worry, the first time I did toner, I was like, oh no, it's purple. What's happening? It's supposed to be purple. This is what happens. After leaving it in for 30 minutes, I washed my hair out, and this was the result of the toner. Of course, the ends are a little lighter, but once it dries, it evens out. After all those chemicals, I really wanted to add some hydration to my hair, so I added in my restorative conditioner, really scrubbing it into my scalp and along my edges and ends, making sure I get every part of my hair. I left this on for 20 minutes under a plastic bag, then I rinsed it out. The coloring process is somewhat like the bleaching process and the toning process. The only difference here is I did not go back for a second time saturating my entire head with the color. I did a spot check. So I went back and I checked for areas where I thought could use a little more color. I did not want one solid color. I wanted it to be some areas light, some areas dark, and some areas in between. So I made sure I just went back where I see fit. As you can see, some parts are really blonde and those parts are going to be lighter than other parts, so it'll give me a two-tone type of look. The container calls for you to be under heat while applying this color. I don't have a hair dryer, so I used my blow dryer and applied heat that way. The bottle called for 15 minutes, but I did 20. And here is the first looks after. Oh my gosh, you can tell I did not process what I just did to my hair yet. This is the moment that I realized what I actually have done to my hair. Don't worry guys, I do not have a bald spot. I just have to brush down my hair. This is when I really started to feel the color, if you have not noticed. Still in disbelief. It was just hilarious. I don't know, man. After this, I put in my leave-in conditioner and coconut oil, then styled my hair with Eco Styler gel by finger curling my hair. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. Take a look. This is like the brightest color I've ever done. I'm absolutely in love with it. Like, am I cut? No, like, you see the cut? You see the cut? What? I tried so hard to achieve this look. After bleaching, toning, and dyeing it, I feel like I achieved a really good color here. Tell me what you guys think of it. Tell me me how you think it looks on me. Leave a comment below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. For those of you who have been following me, you already know what I'm about to say. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, and later, y'all. Hey, and don't forget to follow me on social media so that you can know when new videos are posted. This video has been brought to you by DDNT Entertainment.